So what's up guys? We're on the way to Bukidnon but nag-stop by me there is a Buddha. So look at that guys. It's fucking beautiful. Lagi hard yun. So yun na nga. Naday part din nga batuhon guys. Kaya tawag nila itong bungtod. So maakyat tayo ngayon dito sa bungtod. So fucking very nice man. This is my first time coming here. And then I'm gonna bring my future wife here. And kids. Hi! Kids. Kids.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Okay guys, so we just entered the province of Bukidnon. So mo to ana sila, nagisgot na sila kasal-kasal dire ana sila dapat pamalay daw may dapat na daw may 5 ka van. Kaya para murag taga-dipid ba? Kumbuya ba? Di ba me? Ready na me?
Ready na for the go.
For the go na.
Just tell me when.
Okay. So guys, I think my family is ready. Muna ni. Nag-survey lang mi sa dalan para karong January. Wala, January. So what's up guys? So here we go. Guys, sobra naman siya kapag guys. Saan tama guys? Pag naman guys siya guys. Pero natanaw, nice man yung view. Pero naman gusto sila side dito nga glass tanan nga makita ni mong baba. Pero grabe siya ka fog karon, but it's okay. Nag-expect kami nung wala na fog kayo. But tanaw guys, nakachip kayo. Saan ka ba ni? Sea of clouds kita eh. Wala may truck yung dungog na ako.
Nagila. Ano ka? Swing man.
Ulihok man eh. Tas kamot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, video ha. Pagbabay. Okay, bye-bye. Okay,
Hindi ako kung
si Daddy pa. Shoot kaya dali. So what's up guys? Ako vlogger, kailangan ko kayo i-update. Andito po kami ni Uncle Jack. Uncle Jack. So andito kami sa unknown place. Uy! Okay, bye-bye guys, bye-bye.
Dito lang isa kong primo na itong kautawan na sa kong
3, 2, 1. So, what's up guys? Good morning. Pag na kayo guys. So namin dito sa Pine Ridge and Bukidnon. Kung makita ninyo na guys, hindi kayo hike, mga ba siya, camping style ba? Oh shit. Bukidnon nga ni. So guys, mato ko dito sila shop like ditong breakfast, coffee. Kaya mag-charge ko. Kaya wala may printed diri Bukid gani. So yeah, let's go. Nice place, but delikado pag gabi kaya kung nakita nyo na may dito dito ang receptionist, so in case of emergency at middle of the night wa kayo matawagan, or even dapat na sila yung radyo every station, every camping site, just for in case of emergency. Putay na. Look at that, everyone. Very nice.
Hi! Hi! Bukinon gani!
All the stars overhead give us more to imagine. Eyes wide open.
So right now, namin dito sa Pine Ridge, like what I said earlier. So this is the second night mano. First night, sa Valencia mi natulog, wala ko nag-video. And then second, here. And then sa third, kung may kabalo asa mga tulog, pero magtuyok mi dito sa Malay-Balay. So makita niyo ang view, nice siya, pero mas nice sa taas. Pero dire mi nakapili, kagabi namin nakabot og akong lola na dire. Hi ma.
Hi! Good morning.
Good morning, good morning na.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. So see you in the next area, next tour spot.
The wind is wild and so are we, never stopping at horizons, rebels with fire under our feet. Every moment changes something within.
Malita pa dulong. Uy, bangka.
To where we go, endless fields to roam.
So, what's up guys? We're here at Communal Ranch. Andito yung mama ko na cowgirl. Hey! Hiya! So, karon nag-buy me og drinks. O shake para pagsaka na mo dito medyo refresh. Malakas ang energy natin dyan. So, yun nga. Tara. Samahan nyo kami sa biyahe ni Miko. Pirino na? Oo. Lala. Oh, dagan dito. Maya. Mainit pa. May. Smell na daya. So what's up guys? We're here at Communal Ranch na talaga. Ito yung mama ko na pictorial. So ngayon nag horse riding kami. And then we have a drone shot. I'm gonna show you later guys. So yun lang. First time ko nakasakay kabayo. Hiya! Tigirig! Hiya!
Piriro ang pangalanan mo kabayo, sir.
Ha? Piriro! Hiya! Tigirig! Dangs! Kaya dangs. So tara, let's go!
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she